Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question on charts and graphs. As you can see, our today's question is a multiple choice question with a single correct answer. In this question, we are given two bar graphs indicating the honey production in region Z from 1980 to 1986. The first graph gives us the pounds of honey produced in thousands, and the second graph gives us the average price per pound of honey in cents for the years 1980 to 1986. Now, we are asked to find the approximate value in dollars of the honey produced in region Z in the year 1985. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I'm here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 1, that is 19,000. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So we need to find the approximate value in dollars of the honey produced in region Z. Hence, from the first graph, we need to find out the number of pounds of honey produced in thousands for the year 1985, and from the second graph, we will find out the average price per pound of honey in that particular year. And by multiplying these two, we will get the value in cents of the honey produced in region Z, which we need to convert into dollars for the final answer. So in 1985, we see that the pounds of honey produced is equal to 15,000. That is 15,000 pounds are produced. And we need to multiply this with the price per pound of the honey in cents. That is for year 1985, we see that the average price per pound of honey is a little less than 125. So let us assume it is 120. Now, this is in cents and we need to convert it into dollars for the final answer. So let us divide this by 100 so as to convert it into dollars. Hence, the answer is $18,000. Now, we see among the options there is no 18,000, but 19,000 is closest in value to the answer we obtained, and hence option 1 is correct. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep learning hard. Thank you and all the best.